is Seagull. It's those flying rat thingies, idiot. Is Seagull a fat man in a dark room by himself? Maybe. In the Seagull YouTube channel, we play Roblox and other games, not series of other games. That's on my main channel.
Link in the description, by the way.
I can't do everything by myself, so I picked up a bean rancher named Carlos. Now, he's living a good life editing for me. This is me on the beach. Carlos, I swear, if you don't make me look more buff, you won't be getting your 69 cents this month. Oh, thank you, Carlos. That was really nice of you. Now let me tell you some facts about me. Did you know seagulls are proven to have the attention span of a 2-year-old? So I get pretty off topic easily. See, I might be a seagull, but I can come with multiple different names. You can call me Seagull, you can call me Calful, you can call me Alex, or you can call me Gully. Don't actually call me Gully, I won't respond to you. And now, here's an interesting video of me when I'm not recording.